There are places, and then there are destinations. Destinations where luxury meets nature, where the rhythm of life slows to a graceful, intentional pace. A place where visionaries invest, not just in land, but in the future. Welcome to Mowe Golf Town. Nestled off the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, Mowe Golf Town is more than just an estate. It is a bold redefinition of sustainable, exclusive living. Designed for those who seek refinement, serenity, and investment-worthy opportunities. This master-planned community offers a seamless blend of hospitality, tourism, and high-end real estate. At the heart of Mowe Golf Town lies its crown jewel, a world-class golf course, embraced by lush green landscapes and tranquil water views. Beyond the fairways, discover an ecosystem of possibility, the commercial village, where businesses rise to new heights. The Green Residence offers exquisitely designed 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom homes, where modern architecture harmonizes with nature, and every sunrise brings a promise of serenity. The Mowe Golf Resort, a haven for relaxation and leisure. And Creek View, an enclave of premium residential plots designed for those who demand nothing less than excellence. Live where elegance meets tranquility. With 24/7 power, secure perimeter fencing, solar energy, and a commitment to environmental sustainability, Mowe Golf Town is built for the present and designed for the future. The opportunity is here. The moment is now. Own your piece of exclusivity at Mowe Golf Town,
where every plot tells a story of endless possibilities.